Welcome back to the OpenVINO channel. Intel distribution of OpenVINO is working great. Why do you care about the open source version? Well, in this short video, I'll talk about the benefits of using the OpenVINO open source version and how to use the latest version. In the next video, I'll show you how to contribute your own code or documentation to the OpenVINO project. A new version of the Intel distribution of OpenVINO is released about 3-4 times a year, each time with improved performance, more capabilities, more supported modules, devices, etc. It's a great cadence, but still, it takes us few months to produce a full release. In between releases, we are constantly working and producing better versions. But all this work happens on the open source version. So the bulk of the OpenVINO development and the ongoing progress happening de facto on GitHub. And occasionally, we sync it all to the Intel distribution for the official release. So the best way to have all the latest bug fixes and new features is to use the open source version. And this is only advantage number one. Advantage number two is that you can take the open source code and compile it to your specific machine, your specific OS version. We are already supporting many operating systems, but there are so many others and many versions. If you need your customized one, this is your way to do it. Get the latest version and build it on your system. And of course, if you'd like to make your special modification, fix your exotic urgent bug, or code your customized layer, this is the place to do it. And this is your opportunity to interact with the OpenVINO engineers and be part of the team. I'd like to show you how simple it is to clone and compile OpenVINO. In the next video, we'll talk about contributing your own code. Let's Google OpenVINO open source. Go to the GitHub page, copy the link to the repository. You can find here all the explanations and instructions on how to build the inference engine code. You can find here building instructions for Linux, Windows, macOS, and so on. I'm building for Linux, and here are the instructions. I new directory and clone the repository. Clone the submodules and run the install dependencies script. Build directory, cmake, and make. This is going to take a while. Grab a coffee, actually go grab a lunch. And now, only one more stage. We need to update some environment variables to point to the right location. The first one is the inference engine dir, then ngraph dir, and the load library path. You can copy these definitions from the video description. And we are all set. Even the samples are already built under bin/intel 64/release. I'll just run the hello query device sample, and it's running. And you can see that my system has CPU, GNA, and an integrated GPU available. You're all set. And this is all. You have the latest version of OpenVINO open source code ready for use. Use it. Next video, we'll talk about how to contribute to the OpenVINO community by submitting your fixes, enhancements, and more. See you there. Thank you.